Hi, good stuff, people. I'm coming to you again today with another question from a reader who wants to know something about the dangers of a gas stove. You're going to begin to see this more and more in the news, talking about possibly even making gas stoves illegal, which is, an interesting thing. I have a gas stove, but I will tell you that I'm not going to have it for a lot longer. I've always wondered about gas stoves. You are burning a fossil fuel inside your home, and especially if you do not have a ventilation system for that range, oven or stovetop, if that ventilation system does not go outside of your house, not just the kind that filters through and puts it back, it's just a grease trap. Grease trap's different than a true ventilation system. I'm fortunate we do have an actual ventilation system. The air comes up off, blows outside. That's great, but it still does not eliminate the problem of, this is an extreme example, but think of running your car exhaust inside your house. Your car motor burns fossil fuels. The exhaust from those fossil fuels is not good for you. And although the exhaust from a gas stove is not nearly as problematic as the exhaust from your car would be, the point is that it's still a fossil fuel exhaust flowing into your house. And there are alternatives now to that. And electric coil stoves, if you're a cook, and I don't claim to be, but I live with a pretty good one. And cooking on a coil stove is you can do it, but it's not that much fun. Gas is great for cooking, but for your health, ultimately, it's not a good thing. And people are finally sort of waking up to that. You can research the other electrical ranges that are out now that they're not hot to the touch. They cook by magnetics. They're an induction range, and that's what we'll be getting. They just do not put anything into your home. People are concerned about EMFs. EMFs is another thing that I get questions from readers about, and we will talk about EMFs at some point. To me, the potential dangers, and these are dangers that are essentially unproven at this point about EMFs, but still worth considering. The EMF danger is considerably less than the actual known provable danger of putting fossil fuel exhaust into your home. And this is especially true if you have little kids running around, all that kind of thing. So the short version of this is you might want to consider an induction range going forward. That's what I'm going to do. And I would love to hear your comments about that. See what you're thinking. Thanks. Bye.